I promise that this is the worst frame that I will ever have because I just got a new camera. And not just a camera, because I have a camera on my phone, duh. But I got a camera for myself so I can make YouTube videos, so I can get back in the game. And what better way to open it than with fire? Just kidding. No, I'm gonna use my scissors. I'm gonna go look for scissors. 1 second. Am I a YouTuber yet? So I'm just gonna use a key. So we're unboxing my camera, because why not? That's what you do, right? I watched tons and tons of videos of people unboxing their cameras, and I was like, that is what I want to do with my life, that. So they posted that poll. So thank you for everybody who voted for either Canon or Sony. And I will tell you who won. I got a Sony camera, and I was really nervous at first to like make that decision because it's a lot of money. It was a lot of money, but that's okay because we're making investments in ourselves right now. So I got the Sony camera, and Leota's here. I'm working on my vlogging skills. I promise. Say hi, baby. So angry. So I got this Sony camera. Some ASMR for you. Okay, I will totally do ASMR with this camera. Do not fret. Don't you dare fret. I could see you fretting, and I'm telling you don't, because I was going to ASMR anyway. So I was half and half between the Sony and the Canon, because the Canon Mark II has so many great features. I wanted to go for the Mark III, but honestly, the selling point for me was the autofocus. Like, I plan on doing a lot of character makeup tutorials, and I feel like the autofocus and having it just right is going to be so important for me and what I want and my look that I'm going for. So the Sony seemed like it was a great choice for me because of the color grading, because of the autofocus, because of the sound. It has this like fuzzy little thing, which in the sound world, apparently, Leota, close your ears. Don't look at me. They call it a dead cat. So yeah, they call it a dead cat. Or a windshield. But essentially it's for blocking wind and other sounds. But it also has an external mic, which is great. That's another reason why I got this, because it has an external mic, and the Canon Mark IIs did not. There was a huge difference in price between the Mark II and this one, but I still got it at some sort of a discount because I got it on Cyber Monday, which is great. And what else? I don't know. I'm just really excited to have this in my hand. I'll read to you the little thingies on the side. Clear voice recording, microphone jack. Is a word I can't pronounce. And it's a very common word too, because I see it all the time. Bokeh switch. It's when everything is fuzzy in the background, which is cool. That's another look that I wanted to go for too. Real-time IAF. And that's not what that means. Phase detection, 315 AF points. 24 to 70 millimeters, f1.8 to 2.8. I think that's the lens, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, I probably am. 1.0 type X more RS trademark CMOS sensor, 20.1 megapixels. I think the last camera that I had was like 10 megapixels. 20 megapixels. It was time for an upgrade, needless to say. My last camera was a Canon, and it was a PowerShot in 2010, 2011, I don't remember. But then I started using my phones, because these phones are great, and it's exactly what a lot of people need to get started with or to use. But for me, I wanted a camera. Yeah, the thing about the Mark II also is that like the slides go up instead of to the side. That's the only thing I don't like about this, but you know what? I'm gonna learn. Also, the settings are a little hard, but I'm gonna learn because I'm gonna use this thing often. So now we're gonna open it. Ow! There's paper, more paper, more paper, more paper. Probably important paper, but more important paper. And here it is. Look how beautiful. Look at that. Oh look, you can see me. Hi me. This is my setup right now. We're working, we're thriving. English. Ooh. Okay, so it took me to this screen. So apparently I get applications with this, which is really cool. I didn't know I was gonna get that. Oh, you know what? I think it's for, oh my God, it is so clear. This is so clear. Holy moly. I'm gonna get an SD card real quick from my dresser and I will pop it in. That way I can do like those cool side-by-sides where it's like, oh look, it's me, and it's my Sony, and it's me, and it's my Sony. This is the sound for this, and this is the sound for that. I was doing a lot of that. Was watching all of those videos, and I was like, I want to make one. I'll be back. Am I YouTubing right? Okay, so I'm back with my little SD card. Thank gosh I still have this SD card from 2008. This one's a 1 gigabyte. It's very small. So, but that's okay. We are here for it. Cool. Okay, so every time I open and close, this thing. I'm not recording this setting. Either switch to an SD XC Class 10 or another compatible memory card. That's hilarious. It's saying that my memory card is basically incompatible. I bet it's because it's too old. So basically I can't do that right now. All right, we're learning, y'all. We're moving and grooving and living and learning. Gotta keep on with the keep on. So this is supposed to, it looks like it's supposed to slide on somehow or clip on somehow. I'm sure if you're watching this right now, you're cheering for me or screaming how to do it, and I'm just not going to be able to figure it out today. But that's what all that important paper is for. But I can't look at it right now because Leota is currently laying on all the important paper. But that's it. That's my unboxing video. I am so happy, so excited. I've had a YouTube channel for quite some time, but I have not been able to do as much as I want with it. I definitely have a lot of catching up to do, as you can tell by my 2009 SD card. Recently, I rearranged my whole room, so now I have lots of fun places to film. Like this corner I'm gonna redo a lot so that way it looks cool. But yeah, there's like this wall behind me. I mean, there's 4 walls. I'm in a bedroom. Relax. I plan on doing story times, makeup tutorials, maybe stuff in character, in a cosplay character, maybe some cat videos. Maybe I'll do like behind the scenes of my cosplay videos. That would be so much fun. Yes, I'm gonna do that. Anyway, I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and I hope to see more of you, and I hope you can see more of me. Okay, bye.